How to enable Premier League alerts on the Fantasy Premier League app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable the Fantasy Premier League alerts on the Premier League app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Premier League app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on the profile icon which can be seen in the bottom left corner of the screen. And now here, once you see the interface like this, you can just tap on My PL settings which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. And from here, you can just tap on the option labeled as notifications. And here inside the notifications at the top, you can see the option labeled as Premier League Alerts. So simply toggle on that option. And once you toggle it on, you will start to receive updates on all the stories that matters most to you on the Premier League app. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.